Alright. So I decided to do this again because why not? This just seems fun. But yesterday I went to GameStop for one of my friend's birthdays to get him a gift, and I saw these three. They were all in a pack together, and they were $30. So pretty much it was $10 per box, and it comes with 4 box eaches, and they're all like designed based off different Pokemon. So I was like, why not? I'll go buy them. So today I decided to buy them, and I was like, you know what? Why don't I just decide to record a video? And I was like, and here we are. So today I'm going to be opening up these booster boxes. It is a Snorlax GX box, Gengar EX, and a Dragonite EX as well. I already opened this one, so I already have these cards, but these two have not been opened by me. They are different cards each, so hopefully I get something good. Yesterday I did get something really good. Yesterday I did get some good things, so let's see how it goes. First, we're going to start off with the Snorlax box because that was the one I already opened. And here we can see the Snorlax box. It's really cool. It comes with an EX playable EX, a normal Snorlax, and then a giant card, which is pretty exciting. And along with that, I believe it comes with X and Y. So I'm gonna open it and then, yeah. Difficult. But it is going to be worth it in the end. So this is the plastic covering. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm quiet. I just... So it comes with X and Y packs, X and Y cards. We'll see how that goes. Here is the giant Snorlax, which is playable. I just don't know why you would play with these, but it is playable. Here is the small version of that, actually. My camera can focus. Focusing. There you go. It also did come with another promo card, which is a classic looking Snorlax. I believe this one is the only one that comes with 2 different card styles. The other ones I can tell is just the single one. But that's not what we're not here for these cards. We're here for the packs, as always. So we have, these are all X and Y. So they're not new, but let's hope I get something good. Alright, so I'll take a quick little cut because my mom called me. But like I said, X and Y, so it comes with 2 Fates Collided and 2 Evolutions, which I believe Evolution is the newest pack out of the X and Y, but once again, these are X and Y. We are already, as Gen 6, we are already on Gen 8. I am waiting on the Sword and Shield collection, and we'll just see how it goes. So I'm going to start off with Fates Collided. This is what people come in for. The card opening, because it sounds great. And then all the trash. So then code card, 1, 2, 3 to the front. X and Y does not come with energy cards, so that's gonna be the secret, or the hopefully a good card. So we start off with Bent Spoon. My camera can focus. All right, there we go. So we have Bent Spoon. We have Loudered. Wormbred, that one. Boomy, which is the evolution. Boomer. We have Snubble. Bronzor. Mincino. Deerling. Mega Catch as a holo. And Superior, this one, which is, you know, hopefully it will be used in my deck. I gotta flex, because I did get that from one of the cards. I should have opened it. That was Fates Collided. Let's do an Evolutions pack. Evolutions does have these classic looking cards, which it's an interesting concept. 1, 2, 3 to the front. There can still be energies in this pack. It's just they're not guaranteed. So we have Nidorino. We have Switch. Blastoise Spirit Link. Caterpie. Rattata. Charmander. Ghastly, which looks creepy as all hell. Growlithe. Ooh, Break Ninetales. Wow, look at that. These are like two different, so it comes with like two different things. So if I just play this card by itself, I cannot. I have to do the other one. But look at that. Wow. 6 into fate and yeah, Rattata. No one gives a shit about her. Look at that. Ninetales Break. I'm hoping I get the other half of the Break card. Wow. That is from Evolutions. Put that right there. Next, I'm gonna drop my pack because of course you do, as you do. Next is gonna be Fates Collided again. Code card 1, 2, 3 to the front. We have Last Special, Shuckles, Dome, Fossil Kabuto, Minchino, another Snubble, Deerling, Riolu, Jigglypuff, Wurmple as reverse, and Moltres. Huh? Look at that. Look at that artwork. It's nice. It's a nice card. So far, so good. Nothing too bad. So here's Evolutions. Let's hope I get the other half of the Break card, because if so, then wow. So code card 1, 2, 3 to the front. We have Full Heal, Porygon, Pidgeotto Spirit Link, Diglett again, Poliwag, Sandshrew, Voltorb, Magnemite, Tangela as the reverse, and a Farfetch'd. So, I mean, they are not a bad pull, but that Ninetales. Wowie. Alright. So next, we shall do the Gengar box. Grab the box really quickly. Whoops. There you go. That's a better view of a Dragonite. So the Gengar box comes with 1 Sun and Moon, Fates Collided, Evolution, and Primal Clash. I don't know. And then the Gengar GX. Luckily, these boxes are easy to open. On the plastic. That aside. The giant card. Better. There you go. And then this guy can pop off. There we go. We have the small version of that. This code card. We have the small version of Gengar EX, which, you know, I might actually use these in competitively. And then the ones we actually care about. Move this off to the side. This is how you build up trash. This is how you fill landfills. Oh, stuff is falling, but that's fine. Everything is fine. So in this one we have, as I said, Fates Collided, Base Sun and Moon, Primal Clash, and Evolutions again. So put that one to the last. Let's start off with Primal Clash, because this might be a new one. Once again, it is X and Y, so there will be no energy card, but that is totally fine. Open. There you go. Code card 1, 2, 3 to the front. Start off with Combuskin. Oh, okay. Mr. Mime. McCargo. There's Jilbur again. Skitty. Dryhorn. Sfeel. Latoad. This one, I always forget the name, as a reverse. And a Sharpedo EX. Look at that. Huh. Look at that card. Man. Good stuff. I'm hoping to get the whole evolutionary line from one of these packs because I would like to have the whole evolutionary line of Combuskin, the whole Blaziken line. Let's start off with let's do Sun and Moon, because Sun and Moon is new. And I believe, yeah, these are the only ones in there. Along with that, we're gonna get this pack open. There we go. So this should maybe be majority Sun and Moon Pokemon cards. 1, 2, 3 to the front. This does come with an energy card. Hopefully I don't spoil it. It is a dark energy card. Always useful. Always useful. We start off with a Metapod, Pokemon Catcher. That other evolution 2 Snubble. This Poison Grass one. Crab Brawler. Growlithe. Cute Growlithe artwork. So that one that turns into a Mantis. Lillipup. Oh, look at that. Lillipup as a reverse. And an Incineroar. Look at that. Ain't that neat? Some neat stuff. But sadly, so far, the Ninetales is the only good thing I like the most. Next is going to be Fates Collided, which once again is X and Y. As you guys can tell. And, you know, of course, I have to struggle with one pack to open it. There we go. So, code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Start off with that one. That one. Can never pronounce their names. That one that evolves from Lavitar, whatever. Riolu. The Barnacle Pokemon. That cute Cell Pokemon. Spoink. Gothita. That one as a reverse. The one from Gen 1. And the rare card is a Kingdra, EX. Look at that. Ain't that neat? Alright. And then evolutions. I do like the artwork for evolutions. It is, like I said, classic, so like the good old classic set. 1, 2, 3 to the front. We start off with Professor Oak's Hint. Huh, it's good. Nadrina, Super Potion. Ghastly. Diglett. Rattata. Charmander. Psychic Energy. Coughing as a reverse. And for the last card, disgusting! It is Raticate. Another Raticate. Because, you know, who doesn't need Raticates? Oh, baby. Everybody's favorite Pokemon. Alright, next and the final box is the Dragonite EX box. Let's get this bad boy open. And let's get her done. Get her done. Open it. There we go. To the side. We have the giant card right there, as you can tell. And of course, if there is a giant card, there is a small playable card. Look at that. Looks nice. That has weird energies to attach to it. But, you know, even though it's dragon, it requires grass and electric, which is strange, but, you know, So be it. Then we have the Pokemon cards, the ones everybody care about. We have Evolutions, Fates Collided, Fates Collided, Evolutions, and Fates Collided. 2 and 2. Oh, baby. Let's start off with Fates Collided with Mega Alakazam. As you do. And then we are going to struggle to open the Pokemon card pack because why not? Really struggle. Oh my god. There we go. That took way longer than it should have. Once again, code card 1, 2, 3 to the front. These do not come with energies. We have Shuckle, or guaranteed energy, I should say. Last special, Wheezing. Which this one that's really loud. Snivy, Fennekin, Jigglypuff, Riolu, Alduin's Spirit Link. Of course, as you do, you know, everybody's favorite Pokemon, Alduin. As a reverse, and the rare card is, oh my god, it was weird looking, but would you look at that? It is 124 out of 124, so this must be an ultra rare. Team Rocket's handiwork. Wow. Look at that full art. Wow. I sound super sarcastic, but I'm actually really excited, I know. Jesus, look at that. Look at that. I should have brought my sleeves, but I completely forgot about the sleeves. So, woo. Oh, baby. Next, we will open up an Evolutions pack. Code card 1, 2, 3 to the front. We start off with Nidorino, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Porygon, Voltorb, Diglett, Caterpie, Poliwag, Charmeleon as reverse, so I'm hoping I get a Charizard of some form, and Dewgong. Look at that. Look at that little seal. Ain't he adorable? He is a little cutie pie. Sorry. There you go. And then we have this was, I apologize. This was Fates Collided, and I should have opened it in front of you guys. I am an idiot. I completely forgot how to do this because why not? So once again, code card 1, 2, 3 to the front. Getting rid, there's no energy. Alakazam Spirit Link. Whimsicott. Oh, it's Zygarde, which is one of the X and Y legendaries. Seal. Carabink. Deerling. Bronzorg. Riolu again. Look at that. Oh my god. Delphox Break card from Fates Collided. Oh my god. I need to buy the other half so I can be able to play this. Wow. Wow. And the rare is that one, which no one's ever heard of. But look. Wow. Ain't she neat? Evolutions. Now I really gotta buy the other half. There we go. I just made a big old mess. And code card 1, 2, 3 to the front. There is no energy. We have a full heal, Venusaur Spirit Link, Potion, Sandshrew, Onyx, Magikarp, Energy, Sorry. Need Arena as a reverse. And for the rare, oh my god! Mega Charizard EX. Just like I was saying, I needed a Charizard, and there he is. Mega Charizard EX. Wow. Sadly, I don't have a base Charizard to evolve him from, but look at that. Wow. Mega Charizard EX. Damn. Damn. So, those were all the Pokemon cards that I have currently. That was hopefully a really good pull. I did get good. Like, that's actually not bad for what I spent. Hopefully they're worth. Once again, let me show you what is good. Ninetales and Delphox break. To play these cards, you need to have the both halves, because I don't believe you're able to play the card just like this. We have the Mega Charizard, as we just saw right now. And then Team Rocket's Handiwork Full Art 124. So this is not a secret rare, but it might be an ultra rare. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Well, definitely worth it. I did enjoy opening those a lot. But, Jesus. Some really good luck. This video is going to be fun to edit. I'll tell you that much. Well, anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed me opening the Pokemon cards and just getting all that good stuff. Wow. Keep sounding sarcastic, but I'm not. I'm actually really excited for what we got. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Next time I decide to go out and buy more boxes and do this, I will record it again if I have nothing better to do. Well, anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time.